It's your boy, Is This Legal? And today I have a shoe review. Well, not really a shoe review, but it is a review of sorts. So these are called the Skin 12s. Yep. I can just show you right now what they look like on feet. That's the Skin 12s right there. They have quite a soft exterior. They're quite comfortable. They've got like a skin tone upper, I guess. It's quite flexible, although it does turn red if it gets cut up. It's a bit weird, I know. So far I haven't got any blisters from wearing them, nothing like that. You can actually put other shoes on top of these ones. Yeah, every one is different. This is, I think, 1 out of 7 billion. So yeah, they're pretty unique, really. They resell for quite a lot, actually. Yeah, I think I got these for retail, which was just my mum's womb. Yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Goodbye.
Oh my God, Ronnie.
Pull up on scene, shoot out the roof. Pockets gon' big, check out the swoosh. I got the clout, check out the coupe. Chop out the spot, shoot up your Uber. Cough up the rat.